Hi guys, it's Eric from sneakerjumpman. Are you? Now let's check the shoes. Air Jordan 12 Jean Red, size 10. Originally wolf. Okay. And the shoes with a card Jumpman. And get the shoes. Red and white colorway. Check the shoes with a good quality. And the top box. Now check the shoe tongue. The number 2, 3. And the top of the tongue, a white Jumpman. Yeah. Now check the eyelids, red eyelids. And the midsole, white midsole. Another side, red Jumpman. Yeah, so cool. And the back can get the number 23 and the Jordan. Yeah, see clearly. And check the carbon fiber. And the black Jumpman. Yeah. Can you see clearly the carbon fiber? Okay. Now let's check inside. The red shoelace. Inside with the shoe tag and size 10. Yeah, can you see the white Jumpman? Insole black and blue colorway. So cool shoes. And the inside get the stitching. So good. And check shoes again. So for button. Yeah, if you like the shoes, please check sneakerjumpman. Are you? Okay, it's Eric. Thanks for the video. Bye.